All of you, good morning, Gajarians. Myself, Paras Bogra, science educators from Sri Ejje Gajara Madhyamik and Uchatar Madhyamik Shala, Uttaran. So now today we are discussing about the chapter number 16, management of natural resources. Okay. So in this chapter we are discussing about the natural resources, types of natural resources, then some national laws to protect the environment. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of natural resource? The natural resources are the resources available in a nature like the air, water, sunlight, soil, mineral, forest, wildlife. Okay, these are example of a natural resources. Then, how many types of the natural resources? So there are two types of the natural resource. First, that is the called as renewable natural resource, and second, that is the called as a non-renewable natural resources. So what is the meaning of renewable natural resource? So renewable natural resource, that means those resource which can be replaced in a short period of time, like air, water, sunlight, forest, etc. All these are example of a renewable natural resources. Okay. Then non-renewable natural resources, what is the meaning of non-renewable? Non-renewable, that means the those resource which cannot be replaced in a short period of time, like minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, metals. All these are examples of the non-renewable resources. Okay. So next, in those are in a natural resources. Okay. Okay. Then we are discussing about the some national laws to protect the environment. Okay. So first of all, the Environmental Protection Act. Okay. Environmental Protection Act was given to the 1986, passed out in a 1986, and this Environmental Protection Act are under in a GPCB and CPCB. GPCB, that means the Gujarat Pollution Control Board, and CPCB, that means the Central Pollution Control Board. Then second, that is the water. Okay, the Water Act. That act was passed out in a 1974. Then third, Forest Act was passed out in a 1980s. Then Air Act. The Air Act was passed out in a 1981. Then Forest Conservation Act. The Forest Conservation Act was passed out in a 1980s. Then Recycle Plastic and Plastic Manufacture Act was passed down in a 1999. Then after, Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan, these two plans are passed down in a 1985. And then last one, the Hazardous Waste Management. This act was passed out in a 2003. Okay, these are all are national laws to protect the environment. Then the three R's to the save the environment. Which three R's? Reduce, recycle, and reuse. So first of all, what is the meaning of reduce? The reduce, that means the using less of a natural resources and avoiding the wastage of a natural resource. That is the called as a reduce. Okay. And recycle, that means what? That means the material like the paper, plastic, glass, metals. Okay, these all metals, okay, all things can be to use for making new things can again, that is the called as a recycle. Okay. In this recycle, the plastic and the paper materials are also the included. Then after, reuse, that means the using the again and again, like to the plastic bottles. Okay, these all are the examples of the reduce, recycle, and reduce. All of you clear? Okay.